If you'd like to learn how to draw a different kind of animal, say something other than a dog or cat, then you can't do much better than a lemur. They have a look that is really all their own. Hi, my name's Kathy. I'm an art teacher, and I love to show kids how fun and easy drawing can be when you take it one step at a time. Here are the supplies we're going to need for this project. Just a few crayons, a marker, and a pencil, of course. You can also download this step-by-step tutorial from my website using the link below. Also, it does help to have center pencil guidelines on your paper before you start. They're on my tutorial too and help you see where to draw. Step number 1. The very first thing to draw is the bottom of the lemur's head. I'm going to make some marks to show where to start and stop, and then connect them with a wide U shape. Step number 2. The next step is drawing those two large ears and the top of the lemur's head. I'm drawing the large right ear first, and then adding the left ear, and then connecting them at the top with a curve. Step number 3. Those cute eyes have several rings to them. Let's start with the inside circle first. It's about the size of a large pea or so. Then go back and add a larger ring around one eye. And of course a larger ring around the other eye too. Now for those larger rings around the eyes. They are quite a bit bigger. Just make sure they don't touch the center line, because we do want a little bit of space between them. Step number 4. The nose shape is pretty easy to draw. It looks kind of like a large drop of water and sits on that center line. When you're done drawing it, just be sure to add 2 small circles inside. Now for that little cap shape and the edges on the ears. Draw the curved lines first, and then connect the edges. And finally, those edge lines inside both ears. Oh, you know what? I think I'd like for this line to be just a little longer, so it makes the head look a little more round. Step number 5. Now for the body and that stripe line inside. It's really easy. Just place your pencil on the bottom of the head, make a curved line on the left, and then a curved line on the right, and finally another one inside. Step number 6. The lemur has 2 simple arms that are holding a small shape. It could be a fig, as I read that is their favorite food. After one arm is drawn, then add the round shape behind it, and then finally the other arm. And just a little detail here, be sure to erase the line inside the arm before going any further. Step number 7. Now for this really long and rather thick tail. Start at the bottom of the paper, draw a large curve up, it can jump over that ear, and make a turn at the top, and then come back down again. Just try to make it the same width as you draw it. And it's time to add a lot of stripes to that tail. If you make them curve a little bit, like I'm doing here, you'll see that it makes the tail look round instead of flat. Pretty cool, right? Just keep spacing those lines until you get to the end. Step number 8. Finally, these lemurs do live in lush rainforests, so adding at least one tree will help tell that story. It's easy to draw a simple tree shape on the right and add some branches. And I'm going to look for some empty spaces and fill in the rest with a few leaves. Step number 9. All right, this drawing is all done, so we do need to make those lines really show up by tracing them with a black marker. When that black marker tracing is done, I do recommend that you take just a minute to erase any extra pencil lines that you might still see. All right, now it's time to start coloring. I'm going to use that black marker to fill in the very center of those eyes so they can be really black. Then I'm going to switch to a black crayon for the ring around the eye and the nose and the cap and the body. It still looks black, but it has a little more texture to it, kind of like what I think a lemur would have. And don't forget to color those stripes on the tail with a black crayon too. The rest of the lemur body now gets filled in with a kind of medium shade of gray. I'm going to use a brown crayon for that little fruit shape and the tree. This medium shade of green seems like a good color for leaves. And finally, more green for the background. I like this light green color because it really brightens up my picture. And there is my finished lemur. I hope you enjoyed drawing one with me. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find hundreds more art lessons, which over the years have helped millions of kids learn how to draw. There's a lesson for a sea turtle and a tiger. I hope you try those projects out too, and I hope you keep on drawing.